Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might be holding you back from reaching your fitness goals. Are you putting in the effort at the gym but not seeing the results you want? Well, you might be sabotaging your own workouts without even realizing it. Stick around as we uncover the 6 habits that could be ruining your workouts. 1. Skipping warm-ups. Picture this. You rush into the gym, eager to hit those weights or start your cardio session, but hold on. Are you skipping your warm-up? Big mistake. Skipping warm-ups can lead to injuries and decrease your performance during your workout. Take those extra few minutes to prep your body and get your blood flowing. Trust me, your muscles will thank you later. 2. Not hydrating properly. Hydration, hydration, hydration. It's not just a buzzword, it's essential for a successful workout. Are you guzzling down sugary sports drinks thinking they're the key to your performance? Think again. Opt for good old water instead. Proper hydration keeps your body functioning optimally and helps prevent fatigue and cramping during exercise. So, grab that water bottle and sip your way to a better workout. 3. Poor form. Form is everything, folks. Whether you're lifting weights or doing body weight exercises, maintaining proper form is crucial. Are you sacrificing form for heavier weights or more reps? It's time to reevaluate. Poor form not only reduces the effectiveness of your workout but also puts you at risk of injury. So, slow down, focus on your technique, and reap the rewards of proper form. 4. Overtraining. Are you a gym junkie? Hitting the weights or pounding the pavement day in and day out? While dedication is admirable, overtraining is not. Your body needs time to rest and recover to see progress and prevent burnout. Listen to your body's signals, and don't be afraid to schedule rest days into your routine. Remember, progress happens during recovery, not just in the gym. 5. Not enough sleep. Sleep, the unsung hero of fitness. Are late-night Netflix binges cutting into your precious sleep time? Well, it's time to prioritize those Z's. Quality sleep is crucial for muscle repair, hormone regulation, and overall performance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye each night to maximize your gains and crush your workouts like never before. 6. Ignoring nutrition. You've heard it before. Abs are made in the kitchen. It's true. No matter how hard you work in the gym, you can't out-train a bad diet. Are you fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods or loading up on processed junk? Take a closer look at your nutrition habits and make sure you're giving your body the fuel it needs to perform at its best. And there you have it, folks. 6 habits that could be sabotaging your workouts. But don't worry, awareness is the first step toward change. Start implementing these tips into your routine, and watch as your workouts and results reach new heights. Remember, consistency is key, so keep pushing forward, and you'll be unstoppable. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay fit and stay fabulous.